Hello everyone, myself Jasmine Ahmed. Today I am here with another video. So this video will help all the students, board exam students of class 10 information technology. So today I will solve all the question answer of analyzed data using scenario and goal seek. So dear students, so first topic is multiple choice question. So here number one is which of the following feature is not used for data analysis in spreadsheet. So for data analyzing we use consolidation, we use goal seek, we use subtotal, but page layout is not used. Page layout is a feature that is used in all the application for what, for the orientation. Okay, then which of the following office tool is known for data analysis? Calc is used for data analysis. Then which of the following operations cannot be performed using LibreOffice Calc? So LibreOffice Calc can perform store and manipulate data. It can create graphical representation of data. It can do analysis of data, but mail marks it cannot perform. Mail marks is performed by what? LibreOffice Writer. Then what is the extension of spreadsheet file in Calc? So the file extension of spreadsheet is .odt. The default function while using consolidate is sum. Group by is used in dash tool to apply summary function on columns. So group by is used in subtotal tool. Okay, which of which tool is used to predict the output while changing the input? What if scenario? Which of the following is an example for absolute cell referencing? $C, $5. So C5 is the cell address. So for describing to describe the absolute cell referencing, we use the dollar symbol in both the column name and row number. Then dash analysis tool works in reverse order, finding input based on the output. Goal seek is used to find the input based on the output. Then state whether the following statements are true or false. Number one, consolidate function is used to combine information from two or more sheets into one. Yes, it is true. Then consolidate function cannot be used to view and compare data. False. It can be used to view and compare data. Link to source data is checked. Update the target sheet if any changes made in the source data. So if a source data and target sheet is linked to each other, whatever changes is done it will update automatically. Okay, so it is true. Then using subtotal in calc needs to use filter data for sorting. No, false, it is false. So filter data is not used for sorting. Okay, then filter, so the filter is used for what? Filtering. So it is not used for sorting. To sorting, for sorting the data it will use the sort only. Okay, then subtotal tool can use only one type of summary function for all columns. False. Only one scenario can be created for one sheet. False. What if analysis tool uses one array of cells? False. Goal seek analysis tool is used while calculating the output depending on the input. False. The output of what if tool is displayed in the same cell. False. Then fill in the blanks. So the blank area I have given the red mark. So these are the blank area. Okay, these are the blank area. Consolidate function is used to combine information from multiple sheets to dash the information. So the answer is to summarize the information. Data can be viewed and compared in a single sheet for identifying trends and relationship using consolidate function. Consolidate under data menu can be used to combine information from multiple sheets into one sheet to compare data. Then number 4, the subtotal tool in Calc creates the group automatically and applies function on the grouped data. What if scenario is used to explore and compare various alternatives depending on changing condition. Question number 6, what if tool is a planning tool for what if question. Then what if analysis tool uses array of cell. One array contains input value and the second array uses the formula and display result. Goal-seek helps in finding out the input for the specific output. Answer the following question. So now number one is define the term. So you should define consolidate function, what if analysis, and goal seek. What is consolidation? Consolidation is a function used to combine information from multiple sheet of a spreadsheet into one place to summarize the information. So by default, in calc application, what happens? There is only one sheet. We'll have to add more sheet in that application. After adding more sheet, we will add the information in each sheet. Remember one thing, the level should be same. There are rules, so the level should be same. For example, student name, then student address, then date of birth. In all the sheet, it should contain student name, date of birth, and address. So the level cannot be different for consolidation. So after um inserting all the information, for example, for January month, February, and all the 12th month, we want to consolidate the for example, in each month the student have to give the details. So details like we can take example of student marks, class test. Okay, January class test, then February class test, and so on. So we will now summarize all the details in another sheet. So all the 12 month details will be there in another sheet. We will, what we'll do, we will combine all the sheet into one sheet. That is called consolidation. Then what if tool is used is a planning tool for what if question. In this, the output is not shown in the same cell, whereas it uses a drop down list to display the output depending upon the input. So all the output are not shown in the same cell at a particular time. So what happened? We save all the information as a scenario. After saving all the information, what happens? A drop down in that area where we have included all the data values, a drop down list appears. In that drop down list, whatever scenario we have saved, it will show all the names. So one by one we can open the scenario and check and analysis whatever profit. For example, analysis tool is used basically for a business purpose, for calculation. So whatever we have inserted, it will calculate which data will give a good profit to us, good profit to our business. So a drop down list will display the output depending upon the input. Okay, then what is goal seek? Goal seek helps in finding out the input for the specific output. We know the output, that I want 95% in my board exam, class 10 board exam. For that, I don't know how many marks I'll have to secure in information technology. So for that, what happen? What we will do? We will use goal seek tool, and we will find out that how many marks I'll have to secure in information technology. I know that I will have to secure this much mark in science, then math, then other all the other subject, but I don't know how many marks I'll have to secure in information technology to get 95 percentage. I know the output, 95 percentage is my target. So I know the target, but I don't know the source information. I don't know the input value. So I'll find out in a reverse order. So goal seek is also known as backward analysis tool. Okay, and the elaborate version of goal seek is what? Do you all know? It is known as solver. So solver is basically used for multiple unknown values, but goal seek is used to find out only a single input value depending upon the output that is given. Then give one point of difference between subtotal and what if, then what if scenario and what if tool. Subtotal will group automatically, will create the group automatically and apply common function like sum, average on the grouped data. Okay, it will group all the information. For example, whatever uh, all the student marks are entered. After entering all the student mark, for example, term 1, term 2, then periodic test 1, periodic test 2. So what the teacher will do, the teacher want to find out the total marks, and after that they want to calculate the grand total also. Okay, so what happened? For that we will use the subtotal. He will use which tool? He will use the subtotal. Then what if analysis? What if analysis, just now we have discussed what if analysis means this tool, the scenario. So same thing is given. Then what if scenario, that same thing is repeated. And what if tool? What if tool is known as the multiple operation tool. Okay, multiple operation tool. Then give any two advantages of data analysis tool. So two advantages of data analysis tools are, it is useful to check the beginning to understand from the output for the efficiency. So analysis tool, it will determine that which one will give us a profit, which one will give us the loss. So ultimately our result will be efficient enough. So it is used to predict the output while changing the input, which reflect the output. Thus one can choose the best plan of action based on it. Okay. Name any two tool for data analysis. So two tool for data analysis: goal seek and scenario. What are the criteria for consolidating sheet? So what are the rules actually? So data type across all the sheet should be consolidated, should be same. So in all the sheet we'll have to use same type of data. If we are giving numeric value in all the sheet, it will have to contain the numeric value in that particular column. Okay. For example, in A column we have inserted all the numeric value. In the second sheet also, in the A column, all the numeric value should consist. Okay. It cannot mismatch. The level should match or from all the sheet which are used for consolidation. All the level. Just now I have told that while consolidating, what happens in sheet 1, if we give student name, in sheet 2 also, in A column we'll have to apply sheet student name only. We can't give that teacher's name, right? So in sheet 3 also we can give parents name. The all the sheet should contain same level, same name, column name. Level means the column name or the field name, you can say. Designate the first column is the primary column on the basis of which the data is to be consolidated. So the first column should be used as a primary column. Which tool is used to create an outline for the selected data? So outline is created by group and outline. Okay, group and outline. So here are some notes. Analyzing data is the process to extract useful information for making effective decision. It is a useful it is used to extract the useful information. Group and outline in calc is used to create an outline of the selected data and can group rows and columns together so that one can collapse to hide it or expand. Plus it is used using a single click on it. Select the data to be grouped, click on data group outline. So to apply group and outline, what we have to do, we'll have to select the data to be grouped. Whatever data you want to group, select it. After that, click on data menu. In the data menu there is a option that is known as group and outline. So click on it. Then consolidate, already we have discussed. Consolidation is a function used to combine information from multiple sheets of the spreadsheet into one place to summarize the information. What is subtotal? Already we have discussed. So subtotal in calculate the group automatically and applies common function like sum, average on the grouped data. Okay. So click on data menu. Again we'll have to click on data menu. In data menu there is an option called subtotal. So subtotal are implemented in two ways. Question can come, how many ways subtotal are implemented? Subtotal are implemented in two ways. So one is by using that subtotal function, another is by using the data from data subtotal from the menu bar. Okay. So subtotal, there is a syntax for subtotal, that is for example, for the sum function, what do we do? Equal to sum, within bracket we give the cell range. So here subtotal, then function, then range. So function are defined as the in a numeric value. For example, 9 for sum, and all those. So we'll have to give the function name and the range. What is scenario? Already we have discussed. It is a set of value that can be used within the calculation in the spreadsheet. A name is given to the scenario and several scenario can be created on the same sheet. Then what if tool uses data multiple operation and is a planning tool for what if question. So the multiple operation tool creates a formula array to display the list of the result, applying the formula on a list of alternative value used in the formula. This tool uses two array of cell. One array contains the input value and the second array uses the formula and display the result. Then goal-seek is an analysis tool. It helps in finding the input for the specific output. It works in backward direction. Then what is solver? It is the elaborate form of goal-seek. The difference between solver uh, is that it helps to find out multiple unknown values, while goal-seek helps to find out only one single unknown values. Okay. So I will upload this document in the channel very soon. So yeah, I hope this will help you all to answer the NCERT question answer of class 10 analyze data using scenario and goal 6. So very soon I'll give all the other chapters also. So thank you. Also do subscribe to my channel, like, please don't forget to like this video and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you everyone. Bye bye.